Good afternoon, all of you.
Hello,
Good
Prince.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Now, I was saying that some of you don't know the portion.
Ma'am.
Portion, what is the portion? From
Chapter 11.
Electric charges at rest. Chapter 11, electric charges at rest.
Chapter 11.
11.
11.
11.
11.
Today we will have a written revision, so all of you please open the screen. Come on the screen. All of you come on the screen with your pen and marker.
पासवर्ड क्या है?
Yeah, ma'am. Come on the screen.
All of you please. All of you come on the screen with your pen and copy, rough copy.
मैम इस मीटिंग का आईडी और पासवर्ड क्या है?
ID password is 94108 now. Why are you asking? You have got connected with that. Come on. Note down the question. Book you will not open. Don't open your book. I will see how much you have learned. Okay. Because today we will not start anything. Let us come to the electric charge. Give the meaning of the term earth.
Ma'am, लिखवाइए ma'am.
The term earthing. All of you please. Of the term earthing.
हम बोलिए.
All of you. The meaning of the term. Calf, who is this boy without any ID? Calf, which class are you? Still you have not admission number and all. Write down the meaning of the term earthing. List down 2 precautions that a person can take.
कलेक्ट करोगे.
List down 2 precautions that a person can take if he is caught outside in the open during a lightning strike. List down 2 precautions. Rishabh, you are writing. Rishabh Raj.
मैम अर्थिंग वाला लिखना है.
सर लिखना पहले क्वेश्चन सब नोट कर लो उसके बाद. List down to
मैम आपकी आवाज बहुत धीरे आ रही है.
list down precautions that a person can take if he is caught in the open during a lightning strike. Next question. Why do we say that? Why do we say that charges are always produced in pairs? Why do we say that
अगर हम दूसरे देश में लेके बैठेंगे तो
charges are always produced in pairs? Why does a charged object, this is the next question. Why does a charged object lose its charge when touched? Why does a charged object lose its charge when touched? Describe a simple experiment to show that the total charge on pair of objects the total charge on a pair of objects that have been rubbed together is zero. That have been rubbed together. So now you all write it. And one more question. State the main difference between conductor and an insulator. State the main difference between a conductor and an insulator.
Ma'am, Ma'am, can I?
Last question.
मैम थर्ड
Why do we say that charges are always in pairs?
अभी क्लास हो रहा है एक बच्चा उसके बीच में बूढ़ी गेम खेल रहा है
मैम, ये सारे को लिखना है। मैम, ये सारे को लिखना है, सारे क्वेश्चन।
लिखना है आंसर लिखना है. Tomorrow you have to give the exam of this chapter. See how much you have learned and how much is prepared and how much questions you have to learn. When you will write, then only you can assess yourself. Aditya, Arya, what are you doing? Most of you have not opened their screen. Ashmit, Shivam, Prince, Ashutosh, come on the screen.
मैम एक बार सारा क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दीजिए ना
Write down. Give the meaning of the term earthing. Give the meaning of the term earthing.
नेक्स्ट
Next, list down 2 precautions that a person can take if he is caught outside in the open during a night drive.
नेक्स्ट
Why do we say that charges are always produced in pairs?
नेक्स्ट
Why does the charged object lose its charge when touched?
नेक्स्ट
Describe a simple experiment to show that total charge on a pair of objects that have been rubbed together is 0. And the last one is state the difference between a conductor and insulator.
Okay, ma'am.
You have named yourself according to your class roll number, but the gap is one student who has not written his section and class and roll number. From next time, I will not allow you to enter my class.
Ma'am, please repeat the question once time again.
Give the meaning of the term earthing. List down 2 precautions that a person can take if he is caught outside in the open during a lightning strike. Why do we say that charges are always produced in pairs? Why does a charged object lose its charge when touched? Describe a simple experiment to show that total charge on a pair of objects that have been rubbed together is 0. State the main difference between a conductor and an insulator. Children, you have to learn the answers properly. That is your work only. You have to only do it. इसलिए आप लोग याद करके ही लिखिएगा. Don't copy down. जो जो नहीं आ रहा है उसको छोड़ दीजिए. जो आ रहा है सिर्फ उसको लिखिए. Because there is no benefit in just writing down by copying it down. जो जो आंसर आ रहा है सिर्फ वही लिखो. Others you will learn. Rishabh Raj 70. You are writing? Why have you closed your screen? Tell. Shivam, have you completed? Shivam, have you completed your work?
No, ma'am.
Just to write down. Write down.
Talking. Talking.
तुम केवल बैठे हो ऋषभ राज 7B. You are just sitting idle or you are writing.
मैम लिख रहे हैं बट मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 मैम अच्छा से हियर नहीं कर पाए, सुन नहीं पाए वो।
फिर से उसको याद कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है? जो आ रहा है उसको लिख कर देख लो कि कौन कौन आ रहा है। Caf, you please come on the screen. Caf, कराओ। Are you listening me, Caf?
मैम एक बार क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 रिपीट कर दीजिए ना।
4 was, why does a charged object lose its charge when touched? Why does a charged object lose its charge when touched?
Ma'am, please can you repeat question number 5?
Describe a simple experiment. Yes, bolo. Let me tell first question 5. Describe a simple experiment to show that total charge on a pair of objects have been rubbed together is 0.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, what do you want? कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है?
No, ma'am.
फर्स्ट का आंसर कौन लिख चुका है? उसको बोलो.
मैम शिवम कुमार. मैम शिवम कुमार. By putting a
Ma'am,
charged
Aditi.
object in contact with the earth, cause it to lose its charge. This process is called earthing.
Correct. List down two precautions that a person can take.
Ma'am,
Avoid shades and avoid
do not
shades
take shelter in tree. Avoid shelter under
a house or a
open
house
area.
building in safer place.
Avoid sheds and open areas. Stay away from trees.
Correct.
Do not take shelter inside the tree. Avoid shelter under shade and open areas.
A house or a building is a safer place.
On observing the signs of lightning and thunder, go to a safe place immediately. A house or a building is a safer place.
Yes, correct. Then the
Next question.
why do we say that charges are always produced in pairs?
Ma'am,
When two objects are rubbed against each other, they both get charged. Equal and opposite amount of charges are produced. Amount of charges are produced in different lines
so the
or
piece of iron cloth,
produced
or
in
paper
pairs.
can also attract any piece of paper or dry grasses.
Speak.
A plastic scale gets charged up when it rubs against a piece of wood or a cloth or flannel. We can test the charged up nature of all these objects by using them to pick up small pieces of paper or dry grass.
Okay.
So the piece of
Ma'am,
हेलो मैम, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
मेरी आवाज अच्छी होगी.
मैम बस इतना ही है. मैम पेयर वाले क्वेश्चन आंसर इतना ही है बस.
बोलो नाम बोलो अपना.
क्वेश्चन है बस.
Why does the charged object lose its charge when touched? Question number.
Present on the object and move on into the earth. This process is called earthing. The object losing their extra charge become an uncharged object.
Okay. Then describe a simple experiment to show that the total charge on a pair of objects that have been rubbed together is zero.
When two charged objects, if there's
When to charge up object if they are
the combination does not attract them. The combination therefore behave like an uncharged object. This can happen if two objects are equal but opposite charge. When two objects rubbed against each other, they both get charged up with equal and opposite amount of charge. In the another word, charge are produced in pair, and the total charge a pair of objects rubbed together is zero.
conductor metallic material which gets charged up because they do not allow
substance or material which allows electric
through them which
pass through them
is called conductor. Insulator non-metallic material
substance or materials which do not allow electric charges to pass through them insulate.
Conductor, metallic material that normally do not get charged by rubbing because they allow an electric charge flow through them are known as conductor. Insulated, non-metallic material that normally get charged up because they do not allow an electric charge to flow through them are known as insulators.
Conductor, metallic materials which do not get charged up because they allow electricity to flow through them are called conductor. Insulator, non-metallic materials which gets charged up because do not allow electricity to flow through them are called insulator.
Conductors, metallic materials that do not get charged on rubbing because they allow an electric charge to flow through them with ease are known as conductors. And insulators, the materials which normally get charged up by rubbing because they did not allow electric charges to flow through them are known as insulators.
Can you read science book देना?
मैम आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर लिया है.
Okay, चलिए. Anybody else who want to tell? कोई और बोलना चाहता है आंसर? कोई भी आंसर? Any answer?
Conductors, metallic materials that normally not get charged up on conductor the metal charged up on rubbing because they allow electric charge to flow through them. Example, metallic wire. Insulator, non-metallic materials that do not allow electricity to pass through them is called to flow through them insulate. Example, plastic board.
और कोई आंसर? उसका आंसर लिखे हुए हो?
Conductor, metallic materials which do not get charged up because they allow electricity to flow through them are called conductors. Insulators, non-metallic materials which get charged up because they do not allow electricity to flow through them are called insulators.
Okay, this answer all of you are telling, but I think why do we say that charges are always produced in pair? This answer you all are not telling. लोग नहीं बोल रहे.
Plastic
When plastic is rubbed
charged
charged up when it is rubbed against a piece of wooden floor or a panel.
we can test the charge
We
of
can
nature of
test
all these
the
objects
charge
by
of
using
nature
them.
of all these
Small
objects by
pieces of
using them.
paper or a dry grass.
A plastic scale gets
To
charged
pick up a small piece of paper or a dry grass, we
wooden paper plan.
they also get charged up
a plastic scale gets charged up when it is rubbed against
the
air.
panel, the
We
paper
can
or
test the
wooden
charge of
floor
nature
can
of these
also
objects by using them to pick up a small pieces of paper or dry grass when two objects are rubbed against
therefore say that
equal and opposite amounts of charges are produced.
against each
We
other,
can conclude
they
that
both
charges are
get
always
charged
produced in
up
pairs.
so charge always studies in pair.
So these are the important questions. Apart from the other these questions, all the others which are given in your book, you will learn those also. And for those who are not knowing the portion, they should know now that electric charges chapter 11 portion for tomorrow. Don't write with light pen. Write your name at the end of the paper also, and roll number, everything in black paper. Black pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything more you want to ask? कुछ और पूछना है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.